Hello and welcome back to A&G DIY. So we are in the apartment and we are finally getting settled. We have some things up on the walls, some pillows on the couch. It's becoming much more cozy, and this week I took on a couple of mini DIYs just to make the place a little bit cozier. So this is going to be the first ever Do It for $1, where I'm going to take on a couple of projects that can be accomplished exclusively from the dollar store. So we have those two coming up today, but we have tons more stuff coming down the line. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you ring the bell, and make sure you like, comment, all that good stuff. So let's get into the DIYs.
First, I take my roll of jute rope, which I purchased from the dollar store for $1. I add a dab of hot glue at the end and begin to roll into a flat disc. I continue to use hot glue as I wrap around to keep it secure. Once it gets the approximate size that I want, I cut the edge and hot glue it down. I repeat this 4 times for all 4 coasters. Recently, I purchased a new jewelry box, but I wanted to organize it in a way that didn't require me just to throw all of my junk in and have it be a huge mess. So what I decided was to purchase small dowels from the dollar store and glue them into the jewelry box to use them to hang and organize my accessories. I measure the dowels to the size that I would like, and then I use the scissors to score the rod before breaking in half. Then I use a nail file to sand down the edges of the rods. Using hot glue, I glue the rods into the jewelry box. An easy and very cheap solution.
Alright, so that is it for this week, but next week we have more large-scale DIYs coming down the line, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Please like, please subscribe, please comment, please share, tell your friends, and most importantly, watch. Thank you so much. I will see you guys next time.